If you want to change your Shopify store name, then this video only for you. Just search admin.shopify.com. It is your Shopify backend, and just click here settings. Here you can see that first option general, and you can see here store details under general. Just click here pen icon, and here you can see your store name. Just remove and type here your store name and click here save. Then your store name will update it. So thanks for watching this video. If you need any help for Shopify site, then you can contact with me. Thanks for watching.